Hey 8th graders, how are you my friends? Everything okay? Nice. Today we work a little bit word problems equation. I want your attention here. Try to understand this point little by little. I will work on this slow time, slow. My fast will be very slow to try to tracking my pace here. But what I want to do, watch this video, stop when you want, read again, and understand this point. Great? Let's do it here. Remember the points. Define a variable. Use let statements to define your variable. Okay, let x, let x, ta-la-la. 2. Set up equation, solve it. Translate into an equation using your let statements, then solve it. And step number 3, define answer. Give exactly what the problem is asking for. Let's divide here in 3 things, 3 steps. We have 3 things to do, 3 steps here. Step number 1 will be here, step number 2 will be here, and step number 3 will be there. Okay, let's write mark 1, 2, 3. Just for you know the steps. Right now, guys, let's work on this. The first thing, the larger of two numbers is 4 more than the smaller number. If the sum of the numbers is 74, find the numbers. Right now, identify the variables here. Here I have two numbers, okay? One number is the smaller. I can call you as x. And the other, the larger number, is 4 more than the number I'm talking about. Great. Then let's use here the let statement to help us. Let x equals smaller, and let x plus 4, because it's 4 more than. Okay, I'll just write like 4 plus x equals the larger. Nice. Number 1 done. Number 2, I need to set up the equation. Right now I know if the sum of the numbers is 74, okay, the sum of the numbers is smaller and larger. It is x and 4 plus x. 4 plus x, what is it? The sum of, okay, let's adding x plus 4 plus x equals 74. What is the ingredients about the equation to solve organize the equation? And right now, guys, just solve it. Great. You have here combined like terms. X and x is 2x. 2x plus 4 equals 74. I will move 4 by his opposite. His opposite is negative 4. 2x equals 70. 2x equals 70. What does it mean? How many times 2 goes into 70? As you know, x equals 35. Oh, mister, I found the smaller. Yes, the smaller is 35, and the larger is, what is the larger, guys? The larger is 4 plus the number we find out. The larger is 4 plus a number we find out, 35. Then what does it mean? The larger is 39. Got it? You can stop the video, return to watch again. Number 2, the larger number of the larger of two numbers, again the same idea, is 7 less than 3 times the smaller number. The smaller number is x. If the sum of the numbers is 61, find the numbers. Great. We find out. Let's find out this information here. I have the situation, I have the equation done. Let's do it here. Step 1, 2, and 3. Great. Step 1. Let's find the variable. Let x equals the smaller. Here, x. And let what's the bigger number here? The larger. Less than, okay, take away, turn around phrase. Less than, turn around phrase. 7 less, okay, 7 is after. Who comes first is 3 times x, 3x. 3x minus 7 equals the larger. Nice. Done right now. Let's solve this situation. How do I solve it right now? Done the step 1, step 2. Let's work on step 2. I need right now write the equation. If the sum, okay, I'm adding x and 3x minus 7 equals what? Let's see. I'll change the color here, guys, to manage this better. Great. It is plus, I'm adding here 3x minus equals 61. Nice. Just solve it right now, guys. X plus 3x, combine like terms, it is 4x minus 7 equals 61. Let's move this negative 7 by his opposite is positive 7. Let's add 7 here. 4x, put by this negative 7 here. 61 plus 7 equals 68. How many times 4 goes into 68? As you know, you can calculate it. It's easy. You will find out number 17. X equals 17. Great. Now step 3, I am able to solve the smaller. The smaller is, the SM smaller is 17. And the larger, just write L, okay, to understand the larger. The larger is, I need to solve this equation here. It's 3x minus 7. Let's substitute here 3x, 3 times 17 minus 7. 3 times 17 minus 7, you will solve it. 3 times 7, it is, 3 times 7, guys, just for you know, 3 times 7 is 24. Oh, sorry. 21, sorry, 21, carry 2, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 51. 51 minus 7, 51 minus 7 is 44. 44. Then the larger number is 44. Great, I find out the both numbers here. Guys, here, let's work a little bit. The same idea, guys. I'll try to go a little faster, okay? Let's understand the idea here. I have 3 steps here. Great. The larger of two numbers is 1 more than 4 times the smaller number. If the sum of the numbers is 106, find the numbers. The larger number here and the smaller number, as you know, guys, the smaller all the time. Let x equals the smaller, Sm, all the time. And let, what's the greater, the larger number? The larger numbers is 1 more, okay, 1 plus 1 more, 4 times the smaller number, 4x equals the larger. Nice. Right now, organize the equation. As you know, here is x plus 1. If the sum of the numbers, okay, add the both number, x plus 1 plus 4x equals, there is larger here, equals 106. And just solve it, guys. X plus 4x, it is 5x. 5x plus 1 equals 106. I will move this positive 1 by his opposite, negative 1. 5x equals 105. How many times 5 goes into 105? This goes 21 times. I found the smaller. The smaller is, okay, guys, I use SM for the word smaller, okay, is 21. And the greatest, the larger, L, big L, is, just no solve here, 1 plus 4 times 21, because x is 21. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 84 plus 1, it is 85. Great, guys. The larger of two numbers is twice the small number. Okay, let x be the smaller, and let the twice the smaller number, 2 times the little one, equals the larger number. Right now, solve it. If 12 is subtracted from the larger, oh guys, step 2 here. 12 is subtracted from, turn around phrase. The larger, okay, 12 is subtracted, the larger is 2x minus 12. because 12 is taken away from 2x. Great. The larger number, the result is equals 7 more than the smaller. The smaller is x. 7 plus x. Nice. Right now, here is an equation with a variable in both sides of the equation. Let's solve this. Let's move x by his opposite. His opposite is negative x. 2x minus x is just x. X minus 12 equals 7. I move negative 12 by his opposite, positive 12. X equals 12. It is 19. Great. The smaller is 19, and the larger is the twice this one. The larger is 2 times 9, 8. Go carry 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 48. That is our answer for this situation here. Great, guys. It's pretty simple and easy to understand. Great. Oh, sorry, guys. It's 38. 38. Sorry. It's 38. 38. Working right now. 38. Great. Let's solve this right now, guys. 5. The highest score. Oh, right now change the idea. Highest score. A big score. On an algebra test was 42 points of the lowest score. Okay. The lowest score is x. I call you x. The lowest. Here's the lowest. Let x be the lowest. Let x equals lowest. And let, what is the variable for highest score? On algebra test, it was 42 points more than, okay, 42 plus x equals the highest. I just write h here instead to write highest. Number 2, step 2, solve the equation right now. When added together, we added x plus 42 plus x. The lowest and the highest score was 154. Find both the highest and the lowest score. Right now, just solve it, guys. Combine like term, x and x is 2x plus 42 equals 154. Move 42 by his opposite, negative 42. Goodbye here. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1. How many times 2 goes into 112? How many times, guys? You can find out this. You will find the number 26. X equals 26. Great. Then I know the lowest is 26. The lowest is 26. And the highest grade. Where's the highest grade here? The highest, as you can see here, and it solves the problem. 42 plus this number. 42 plus that number, the highest is 42 plus 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 68. Great, guys. This is the problem for we solve here situation. We can find, oh, sorry guys, I have a problem. We just don't have a problem. Sorry guys. Here, just solve this one here, the situation. 112 divided by 2 is 56, mister. 56. Sorry guys, not 26, 56. And after here, the highest score, let's solve here, you find out it's 98. 56. Oh, let me change here. 56 plus 42 is 98. Great, guys. That's it. We solve a little bit to number 5. And this one here, guys, I will show to you is simple, pretty simple to solve it. Guys, X here in this case, Garrett has $1, blah, 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 less than 3 times as much money as Liz has. Together they have 179. How much money does Garrett have? Guys, it's easy here. X for Garrett, you can find out that X be the Liz money, because Liz is the less money than is Liz. And Garrett, Let's find Garrett has $1 less than 3 times. Okay, less than, turn around phrase. 3 times as much. Okay, 3x minus 1. It is Garrett. Okay, Garrett money. Garrett's money and Lee's money is we're talking about. Great. Step number 2. Together they have 175. You just add everything. X plus 3x minus 1 equals 175. 9. Guys, you solve the problem. You will find x equals 45. And this is the x is the money for Liz. And Garrett, you need to solve this 45. 3 times 45 minus 1. You will find the money for Garrett. It is 134. Great. 7. The Buffalo Bills scored 24, more than twice the number of points that Miami Dolphins scored. Altogether, the teams scored 66 points. How many points did each team score individually? Let's work right now. Let X be the Dolphins score. X equal Dolphins score. Miami Dolphins. And let 2x plus 24. Guys, here, twice the number. 2x more than plus 24. This is the score for Buffalo. Nice. We find out here. Let's run out step number 2. Solve the equation. Altogether, the teams score 66 points. Just adding, guys. X plus 2x plus 24 equals 66. Easy. You will find out, guys, you work on this equation. You will find x. The Dolphins score was 14. And Buffalo scores, just not solve it. 14 displays. 2 times 14 plus 24. It is 52 points. Great, guys. The last one. There are 10 less red Skittles than orange Skittles in the bag. The orange Skittles are also twice the number of red Skittles. Find the number of red and orange Skittles in the bag. Right now, guys, there are 10 less red Skittles than orange. Less than. Turn around phrase again. But let's set for orange the little one. Let's set orange. Let's see, orange is x. X equals orange. And x minus 10, because 10 less than. Turn around phrase. X minus 10, it is red. Let's solve right now. The orange are also twice the number. Find the number of red and orange Skittles in the bag. Great, guys. You need to just solve it. It's like say they are 10 less than the red in the bag. You are trying to say they are equals. The value is equals. Let's do it here. It's simple. The equation is x equals x minus 10. If you see here, the orange Skittles are also twice the number of red Skittles. Can you see, guys? We're talking about the equation. They are equals. The same idea. And just solve it, guys. It's pretty simple. Oh, don't forget it. Two times. I forgot to write here. Here, the orange Skittles are also twice the number of red Skittles. Oh, look here. I forgot the 2. Twice x minus 10. Because they say, besides it is x minus 10, this is twice. Again, like the parenthesis comes in here. The idea, just solve the distribute 2x minus 20. You find out this. You move x. The opposite is negative x. You find x minus 20 equals 0. You move negative 20 to another side. X equals positive 20. This is the value. And red you'll find is just 10. Great, guys. 20 minus 10 is 10. Guys, that's it. We solve it. And have any question, please let me know. Bye bye.